Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, is here. And Kim, this past Monday, wheat prices took a hit and then recovered. What's going on now?
Well, I think those hit and recoveries was basically the funds buying and selling contracts. You talk about last Friday and Monday they sold. It was reported at 10,000 contracts, but they were selling those or buying those in response to what's going on in the market. It looked like production was going relatively well. We've got a glut of world wheat, and so they were selling it into that. And then on Monday, the crop condition report came out, the spring wheat crops in significantly worse condition than the market thought, and so the reaction was lower hard red spring production in U.S. and Canada, then prices should go up. So I think it was a reaction to that.
What price levels then are you watching?
Well, I'm watching that July contract. We've been watching that 450 level. We were above it last week, and I was all cautiously optimistic about prices moving up a little bit, and then we got Friday down, and then Monday they just took it down 11 cents down to 443 below that. I thought, oh man, we're not going to get the prices. We're back up, hit 460. 450, that's a critical level. We got to hold 450. I think our next level is at 470 to 475. I'll be glad it goes over 470. I'll be really glad if it goes over 475, because if we can do that, we'll hit $5 on that July contract, and that'll be my 4.25 in Oklahoma for cash prices.
With all of this happening, any changes in marketing strategies?
No, I don't think so. I think just staggered in the market. Don't get greedy. Just move it in a little bit at a time. Take advantage of these rallies. If the forward crop's going to determine what our prices are going to do, we get increased production, we can lose $1 real easy. On the other side, if we continue to our foreign crops go a little less, we could pick up $1, $2, maybe $2.50. So staggered in the market.
Of course, canola harvest also underway. How are canola prices looking?
They're better. They've been improving. We picked up about 15 cents over the last week or so. Oklahoma, you really need to sell your canola at harvest. One, you got to turn. Most elevators require you to turn over ownership. You can price it later. So I think in canola, they're moving up. There's a slight uptrend. I wouldn't bet on it because there was a report that German canola production is going to be higher, and it looks like if canola production goes up, you know what happens to your price.
Exactly. Last minute advice for producers?
Like I said, don't get greedy in this market. You get a rally, take advantage of it. I wouldn't sell it all at once. I'd stagger it in the market. I'd plan on holding some to get out into that November, December time period, because Australia's having problems. They're significantly lower crop than they've had in the past. It's still about average, but if they have additional problems, then our price will go higher. And I think producers will want to have some wheat to take advantage of that.
Okay, terrific. Kim, we'll see you next week. Thank you.